Hi there, YouTubers. Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles here in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Have a new machine for you today. This one is a 2010 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Give you a quick walk around on this machine. This thing is super clean. But you get a close-up of the motor there. Even the bottom of the frame on this thing is clean, guys. Rare that I get them in this clean. Nice scarlet red velvet black paint scheme on it. 6-speed transmission, oversized footboards there. This thing's got the 96 cubic inch big twin counterbalance motor on it. Nice tombstone tail light there. Also comes with a detachable windshield, detachable basket weave bags, detachable sissy bar, Python exhaust. Give you a close-up here of the breather. We got a Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle Stage 1 kit on here. Got some nice highway pegs. And let me crank this thing up here and let you guys get a listen to it. Nice low mileage too here. Looks like we got 14,915. This thing really sounds great too. Alright, great sounding machine, guys. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. That'll help us get more videos out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.